What's up, guys? We're back here with another video, and today we're going to be installing the seat that I bought the other day, the one that was slightly used that I found at the junkyard with no tears. All we got to do is clean it up. It is dirty. It does have a little bit of black overspray. I think the guy before that had the seat in the other car must have spray painted the interior some black color because everything was all crazy inside that car. And some did get on the seat. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but there are little dots over here and stuff, so we got to clean that up. And then on the back, there's a huge piece of overspray right there. So if we can get all that off, I might need to use some acetone or some type of very high paint remover type of thing on that. And then all we got to do is take the old one out, attach the frame rails that go into the actual car on the new seat that we just got, put it in, connect the wires, and it should be easy. So I guess let's start cleaning it. Okay, so what I'm going to be grabbing the goof off, the spray. I think this will get out the spray. This is what I normally use for anything paint, like overspray or anything. And I'm going to be using, I don't even know what that says, but this Natural Shine that takes off pretty much all dirt that I've ever had on the inside of my car. So I wiped down the entire seat, like the first wipe down of it. For the most part, yeah, there's scratches on it, scratch on the leather and stuff, but there's no tears. So far, it is in better condition than mine. I used the goof off on the back. As you can see, it did come off. It's more gray now, so I might just use the goof off on this whole piece of plastic because this isn't really loud. It's more plasticky. And then we'll clean off the bottom, like where the controls are and stuff over here because it's all dusty and gross. And then we can start taking that one out and replacing it, and it should be pretty good. So I just flipped it over. As you guys can see, everything is intact on the bottom. We got the 3 main wires that plug into the full harness of it inside the car. And then I think one of these modules are the heated seats. One of them is to move the seat back and forth. So I'm just going to give the back of this a little bit more of a clean. And then for the most part, we should be ready to take out the old one. So yeah, let's finish cleaning this thing up. Okay, so for the most part, we got everything out. We cleaned up this whole side. Over here, there was a bunch of black all in this corner, and it's all out. You can still see the little bit of black dots over here, but it's nothing major. And for the most part, it's good. So let's start taking out the old one. We'll take out the whole thing. We'll take out the whole frame and everything so that we can actually just put it on out here. And then we should be good to go. So let's see how that works. Okay, so we got the front bolts out. I'm going to move the seat forward. I'm going to get the back too. And then I'm going to unplug the battery so that I don't mess any of the cable crap up, like disconnecting everything from the housing of the wires. And then we'll take the whole frame out. We'll connect it to the new seat. And then just bolt everything back in and we should be good. So let's see. I think my helping hand is arriving now. I hear him in the distance. But next thing we got to do is just take the battery out. But I think he's here now. Let's see. Found them. Going to Rockies in the Mustang 2006 GT with a tune and everything. Thing's a freaking beast. Watch this pull. Watch this pull. Go right. So I'm gonna cut the video so we get the exact part of it. But he's gonna pull. Cop is sitting on the street. I lowered the camera because we were freaking out. Cop looked straight at us with sunglasses and everything. Didn't even bother us. So we're good. We're still going to Rockies in one piece. So we just picked up the ratchet. Zach's over here still freaking out, but we're gonna go home nice and slow. The speed limit's 35. We're gonna be going about 20, just to be safe.
We ain't going that way.
Well, we're at a standstill, and looks like the seat is not gonna get replaced. On this one, we have 4 pipes, modules, whatever you want to call them. This one is missing on this one. So what we have to do is transfer this one to the other seat, but we don't have the wires on that one at all. We have them on this one, but they get hardwired into the grouping. And there's no way that we're going to be able to do that. At least I don't have the freaking technique to do that. So yeah, this seat's a piece of shit. Doesn't matter. Didn't really record anything because I'm kind of disappointed, but this seat is done. It's not going to work. So we just finished putting the other one back in, and everything works on it, so I connected everything right. We're tightening the battery down because I unplugged it so I don't get electrocuted or anything doesn't go off. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when we're done. Zach just left. Old seat's back in the car. I'm not going to be able to replace it. I'm going to get in contact with the guy. If we can somehow get like the frame of it, we'll be able to do it. But out of all of that, I did get one good thing from the car that I got the seat from. I got this, which is the interior piece, which is on mine. One of the clips are broken, this little clip. So I'll just carbon fiber wrap it like my other ones are. I'll put it in and that will be good, but seat's no good. And yeah, the good thing about this video would be the freaking Mustang almost getting pulled over. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Next time I'll be doing the interior piece like I said. And we have a car show on Tuesday, so that's probably the next time you're going to see me. Peace out.